How to set WhatsApp message on draft. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set WhatsApp message on draft. To do so, first of all, open your WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will land on this homepage. Here, open any individual or group chat where you'd like to compose a message. Tap on it to open it. Once you open it, here start typing the message you wish to save as a draft in this message input box. After typing the message, instead of sending this message, simply tap on the back arrow of your mobile device to exit the chat. After exiting, you will see a draft indicator at the top of the chat list next to the conversation. This indicates that there is an unsent message saved as a draft. To access your draft, you can simply tap on the same chat again and the drafted message will still be in the message input box. This allows you to edit, send or delete it. This feature helps you to keep track of unfinished messages, which makes it easier to return or complete them later. WhatsApp has this amazing feature that automatically saves unsent messages in each chat's input box so you don't lose your text when you exit. So by following these steps, you can effectively save and manage draft in WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.